Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore two best-selling and highly rated cheap laptop models. If you are looking for a powerful laptop with good battery life and sophisticated design, this video is for you. From laptops for studying, working to gaming or graphic design, we have helped you choose the two most suitable machines. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Model 1. The latest HP 255G10 laptop for home or work, 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD, 15.6-inch Full HD display, Ryzen 3 7330U, beating Intel i5 1135G7, Ethernet port, HDMI, USB-C, Windows 11 Pro, ready for work and play in 2024. AMD Ryzen 3. Processor 7330U. Unleash superior performance with powerful quad-core architecture and advanced processing capabilities, ensuring easy handling of demanding tasks and impressive energy efficiency for long-lasting durability. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. A sleek, more consistent new design, great window layout options, better multi-monitor functionality, improved productivity features, new gaming options and capabilities, and Android app compatibility. Beautiful and lightweight, the HP 255 laptop keeps up with the mobile work style with its thin and light design and large screen-to-body ratio. High-speed RAM and large space, with up to 64 GB of high-bandwidth RAM to run multiple applications and browser tabs smoothly at the same time. And up to 2 TB, PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive enables fast boot and data transfer. Stunning visuals. The 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 LED backlit display delivers crisp, clear visuals, while AMD Radeon graphics deliver impressive performance for work and play. Model 2 Asus VivoBook Go 15.6-inch laptop, AMD Ryzen 5 7520U, 8GB 512GB, Windows 11 Home, Cool Silver E1504F A-AS54. 15.6-inch Nano Edge display. Ultra-narrow bezel design with a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, vivid 45% NTSC color gamut, and sustained brightness of 250 nits. AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor. Designed for slim laptops, this processor gives you fast performance for web browsing and light gaming with longer battery life thanks to the integrated AMD Radeon graphics combination. 8GB memory plus 512GB storage. Faster memory for smooth multitasking with massive storage for files, documents, and more. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1. Seamlessly and quickly connect your devices. Sonic Master Sound. Crisp, multi-dimensional sound with built-in speakers and array microphones. If you find my review videos helpful, please support me by liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so I can notify you every time I release a video. If you want to buy the laptop like in this video, please buy from the link below to support me. I will get a small commission from Amazon. The product link is below the description. You can click to see more. Thank you.